Dear students, today I am here with the summary of the story Two Gentlemen of Verona.
Thank you, dear friend, for coming back on EME Education Made Easier, a channel just for you. If you've not yet subscribed my channel, do subscribe the channel because there's a lot more to come and each video is definitely going to be beneficial for you.
This is an inspirational story of two brothers, aged 12 and 13. The younger one, Jacopo's nature is childish and lively, while the elder one, Nicola's nature is serious and mature. The author met them in the town of Verona, and he used the title Two Gentlemen of Verona in an ironic manner, as at a very young age they faced the hardships of life. Their mother died early in their life, their father was a well known singer but became a victim of the early war. Their village suffered due to German occupation. They got homeless as their home got destroyed and suffered starvation and the cold winter. They lived in the shelter made of broken building walls and bricks. After the war, they got back to their sister and found her suffering from tuberculosis of spine, which was another shock to these poor kids. As they were the only family of their sister, they had to work and arrange money for her medical treatment. Despite facing so many problems in their early life, the boys did not lose hope. The brothers' positive approach and determination to get their sister cured had helped the staff treat her well. Despite having a scarcity of jobs in town, they managed to give their sister the best they could. On the contrary, they led a very poor life. Their clothing and eating habits portrayed it. To earn their living, they shined shoes, sold fruit, hawked newspapers, and even worked as tourist guides. Going through so much in life, they never tried to take anyone's sympathy. Instead, they worked hard. These two young boys have every quality of being called gentlemen. Their positivity and selflessness inspired the narrator. The narrator felt that such a humble youth gives our society hope for a better tomorrow. In such times of war, weapons, and hatred, still there is hope for humanity. That's all for today. In case of any doubts or queries, you can drop us a message on Instagram or you can also drop them in the comment section below. I'll revert to them as soon as possible. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.